Let's take a look at the brake lever protector in MotoGP. The brake lever protector is there for the safety of the riders and is mandatory in all of the classes because racing is so tight and the riders get right up next to each other. They do say rubbing is racing. The brake lever is there to stop accidental braking should the riders collide. Without the protector, there could be risk of unintentional braking, which could cause crashes. With the brake lever protector, however, the lever is safe from accidentally being pulled and there is no risk of unintended braking. Race direction will not allow the bikes to race if the brake lever is not completely protected. And those are the brake lever protectors in MotoGP.